$6,840 on my balance. My friends, the first trade made a profit. The balance is growing, the situation is profitable again. This is a very good pattern that I found using two simple tools. $15,000 in a balance, 3 great signals, very good trading session. Super accurate signals, very easy to use, start without experience, very hard to lose money. Everyone is looking for such a trading strategy and I think I found it. Friends, $100,000 of net profit on binary options. It's a real proof from my friend and now I show you how to make the same result. Now I will show you how to open a trade and how this strategy works. But first, I will remind you that in my free Telegram blog you can repeat all my trades for binary options. I share my experience for free, give signals, tell you how not to lose a deposit, help you individually and answer all questions. In general, if you need help, open a link in the video description and write to me. I'm waiting for you. No comments. I made a big profit, now it's time to make your withdrawal and come back later. Friends, write your opinion about this method in the comments, it's very interesting for me. Don't forget about $100 for 5 random people in every video, subscribe on my YouTube channel, like this video and just write me something to my Telegram, link only in the video description. In the next video I'll choose 5 people randomly and send money, and that's it guys in the last video. Maybe next time it will be you, so act right now. I wish you good profits and see you soon on my YouTube channel.